Let's install Microsoft Clarity on your Shopify store so you can see exactly where your customers are clicking. So first head to clarity.microsoft.com and create a free account. Once you're in, create a new project for your website. When it asks how you want to install it, choose third-party platforms, then select Shopify and copy the code they give you. Now jump to your Shopify dashboard. Go to Online Store, then click the three-dot menu and choose Edit Code. On the left, open the file called theme.liquid. Press Command F or Control F if you're on Windows to search for this head tag. Once you find it, paste the Clarity code just above that line and click Save. Now, if you go back to Microsoft Clarity, it might not show anything yet. So to kick things off, open your store in an incognito tab. Click around, scroll a bit, then go back to Clarity, and boom, you see your first recording. Now, this is a session recording, but if you want heat maps, it'll take a little bit more data to start showing up. But once your site has some traffic, you'll get heat maps that can show you where people are clicking, how far they're scrolling, and what's grabbing their attention. If you want more traffic without blowing your budget on ads, the best way is through SEO. And I've actually got a full beginner tutorial for that right here. So make sure you check it out, and I'll see you there.